Hello everyone, welcome to Code One, and in this video we are going to discuss no such exception or no such session exception in Selenium. When we get the exception with this exception, and how can we solve this or handle this by using try catch block. Okay, so as the name suggests, no such exception means the driver session is invalid or has expired. Like our Selenium script is always running on the browser, right? And let's say in between some by some actions or some system crash, the Chrome is crashed or it's closed and there are no more browser instances running. In that case you will get this no such exception. So how can we resolve it? We can restart the driver session, or we can we can recreate the new Chrome driver object, and then we can use the same driver. Okay, so let's quickly dive into my Eclipse and create a example of it, how you can see this exception in your console, right? So here in this app, or let's create a new class. I'm going to create a new class for this. So as no such exception example, and here I'm going to create a main method, and in this main method let's create an object of WebDriver, and I just say WebDriver equals to new Chrome driver. And here into driver I can say driver dot manage dot uh, windows. I can say, oh sorry, not a wait, it should be windows dot maximize, right? It will maximize the window. And then let's navigate to one URL. Navigate to, and for a testing URL I'm using the same that I've used in the last example, and I want to navigate to this URL. But after navigating I'm going to close the browser. Okay, so driver.quit I'm performing, and then let's say I want to try to refresh the page. Driver.navigate to refresh, or we can say, yeah, refresh, or we can perform any browser option. So in this statement, at this statement the browser will be quit. It means the session is like browser will be closed, and there will no session, no value for this in this driver, for this Chrome driver. And in this case again, if we will try to access this driver, it will show us a no such a session. So let me run the code quickly and see what we are getting. Are we getting the exact exception? So it's loading the URL, and now if you see this console errors, you will see no such session exception is shown here, right? And if you don't want to see this thing over here, like the exception, what we can do, as we are doing, the best way to handle that exception, use try catch. So I just write this code into the try block and another catch block. I know what exception is there, so it's such a no such session no such session exception from this. Also I can print the name of the exception if I want. So let's do a sop sysout e dot class name dot get simple class name. So now let's run again, and you will not see this kind of error messages over there, exception message. You just see a simple class name over there. So I'm running it again, and now it's loading the browser. URL is loaded, and you see just the name of the exception. So now hope you understand when we get this exception. If interviewer asks you the question like what is a no such session exception, in case you can answer them like once let's say the script is running on a current browser, and there's some, due to some reason, browser is crashed or closed, or something happened with browser session. In that case you will get this app, this session, and is closed, and you are still trying to access the session of, you can say, the browser session, and then it will not found the session, then it will throw an exception, no such session exception in Selenium. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe Code One. In case any question, please comment out. Thank you.